Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. I bid to Dr. Zafril and my fellow presenter. We are from Group 4 and we'll be presenting about our mini project with domain fashion. For today's agenda, we're going to present about the introductions of our mini project, the flowchart, the code and code testing. So my name is Nur Aina Betroslan, CD20117, and I'll be presenting about the introductions of our mini project, which is Arya Beauty online shop. So for the background study, Arya Beauty is a retail shop that offers online shopping option at low rates. It is a new established business owned by a group of fresh graduates. Hence, they prefer an online system because the overhead expense in opening and running physical store are higher. However, they does not have a systematic purchasing system. Hence, the aim of this project is to provide the best service of the purchasing system to make it easier for the customers and administrator to manage purchasing detail, discount payment and receipt by providing an automated purchasing receipt via machine. So for our proposed solution for the input, when the users enter the membership, they will be asked if they have membership or not. And then they will enter the close code, the type, the size, quantity, and the postage destinations. During the process, if the user have membership, then they can get 5% discount. And the price of the postage is different for Semenanjung, Sabah, and Sarawak. During the output, when the product is selected, the type, size, and quantity, and destination, the total payment will include the discount for membership, price for clothing type selected, and the postage fee. So that's all for the introductions. The flowchart will be presented by Aina Biha.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aina Biha binti Kamaruzaman, the second presenter in this presentation. So I will present the flowchart of function in this application. So the flowchart, will begin from the start. Okay, and then go to the print, welcome to Arya Beauty, and then we go to the loop where the looping begin from here, and then we have counter equal to counter plus 1, and then the function or membership discount, get price, get size, get postage, get calculate clothes price, calculate total price, calculate total payment, display output. And then we go to the looping, and then if no, we'll display the total payment and go to the end. So the first function is membership, where the user will enter the membership. If yes, the user can get the discount, which is price times 0.05, which is the discount. And then if no, the user not get the discount. So go to the end, and then the next function is get price, which is the user will enter the clothes and then enter the type of clothes, which is if the first clothes equal to the A equal to the dress. So if yes, it will go to the types of dress, which is first type is off shoulder, second type is the turtleneck, and then the second is collar. So if yes, on the off shoulder, so it will go to the price equal to 35.0. So same goes to the turtleneck, the price is 38.0, and then the collar is price is 25.0. And then if the user not choose the clothes A, and then they can choose the another clothes, which is clothes B, which is skirt. So the skirt is peplum, denim, and elastic. So the price for the peplum 28.0. For the price denim is 40.0, and then for the elastic 25.0. And then if no, the chosen of user is the C, which is the pants. So the user so the output will come out with the type of cloth, which is knee length, midi, and long. Which is the knee length price is 20.0, midi is 25.0, long is 35.0. So when this function is done, it will go to the end. And we go to another function, which is the get size. So the user can choose the size that they want. Whether the size is S. If yes, it will print S. If no, it go to the M. If yes M, it will go to the print M. And if no, it will go to the print L. So go to the end. And then go to the next function, which is called postage, which is the first, the user must enter the destination, neither the Semenanjung or Sabah. If yes to Semenanjung, it will go to the postage, which is 4.5. And then if no, it will go to the Sabah. And if yes, the postage is 8.5. If no, the postage also 8.5. And then go to the end. And then go to the next function, which calculate clothes price, which is the clothes price equal to price times quantity. Go to the end, and then go to another function, calculate total price, which is the total price equal to clothes price plus discount plus postage. And then go to the end, and then go to another function, which is calculate total payment, which is total payment equal to total payment plus total price, and then go to the end. And then go to another function, which is the display output. Okay, so the output will come out with print product selected, print type of clothes, print size, print price, print total price, print postage, and then print discount, and then go to the end. And then we go to the last function, which is the display total payment, which is the system will print the total payment, and then print buy, and then print the thank you for buying, and then go to the end. And after display output, after display total payment, the system will go to the end. So that's all from me. Thank you. So I will pass to another presenter.
My name is Nurin Atika Nasha binti Manasih, ID CV20108, and I'll be presenting about our code explanation. This is our coding. We have 9 defined functions and 1 main function. This is all our declaration variables that are related to our coding. And this is a file input-output operation, which is for the welcome to Arab Beauty. First, we declare a file, and then we create the file, and then we write the file, welcome to Arab Beauty, and then we close the file. And then for this one, we declare the file, we read the file, we declare a file. For this one, it will read from the file, and then it will display on the screen. And then we close the file. This is our flow in the coding, which it will ask the user to input. We use the do while looping with the counter not equal to 1. And in the looping, we have the items, we have the user input, we have the function, and we have the question for the user whether they want to exit or not. And we have outside the looping, we have the total payment. In our coding, we have nested decision, which is this one. It has the cloth variable and the type variable. And also, we have the 3 basic if-else decision, which is for size, membership, and destination. We also have calculation, which is for the curve price, total price, and total payment. We also have for the output and for the total payment output.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Syara Tilabudi Jainal, member system matrix number CD20134, and I'm the person in charge to show the code testing. So this is the output after we run the system. And the first one, the first thing that you will see is welcome to our RPT, and it will ask, do you have membership? You can either answer Y for yes and N for no. So I'm gonna answer Y for now, and it will show the item. We can choose the clothes, either dress, skirt, or pants. So I'm gonna choose A for dress, but you can choose B for skirt and C for pants. So I'm gonna choose A, and for the code type for dress is you can either choose T or O, T or C. So I'm gonna choose O for off shoulder and enter the size. So I'm gonna choose S for small, and for the quantity I'm gonna choose 1. And you have to choose the destination, 1 for Semenanjung, 2 for Sabah, and 3 for Sarawak. The destination is for the price of the postage, so I'm going to choose 1. And this is the output after we click enter, and the output is based of what we have chosen up here. So if you want to declare, the first one is dress. Okay, we choose A for dress, yes. And the second one, type of clothes, is off shoulder. We choose O for off shoulder, and size S, and here is S. So here you can see the total price, postage, and discount. And it didn't have the total payment, right? Because we have to exit first. So if we choose to continue, so we have to click 0 at 0. But if you don't want to continue, we want to change something, click 1. But for now, I'm going to choose 0, and we'll show the total payment for the system, which is 37 ringgit and 75 cents, because it is the total price after adding with the postage, which is 4 ringgit 55 cent, 4 ringgit 50 cent, and minus the discount is 1 ringgit 75 cent. And after the total payment, it will say bye, thank you for buying. And that's all for the code testing. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aina, CD20117. I'm going to present about the function I'm interested in, which is the call postage and get size. For the call postage, the parameter in this function is the destination, MVES, and the postage. If the user press 1, the argument, which is Semenanjung, will be passed to the parameter. For the second destination, the parameter, the argument Sabah will be passed to the parameter. So for the other than that, if the user press other than 1 and 2, the argument Sarawak will be passed in the function. So for the next is the get size. For the get size function, the parameter is the char size, char, and the name size. If the size is the S, and then the argument small will be passed. Else, if the size is M, the argument medium will be passed. Other than that, it will pass the argument large. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so I will present the function of membership, which is in the line of 169 until 178. So the function begin with float, membership discount, and then we have char membership, float price, and then float discount. And then we input the selection, which is if membership equal to Y, and membership equal to Y. So the discount equal to price times 0.05, and then return to discount. For the calculate total price, okay, we start from the line 207 and then until 212. So the function begin with float calculate total price, and then we include the float total price, float clothes price, float discount, and then float postage. And then we have the calculation, which is total price equal to clothes price minus discount plus postage. And then we return to the total price.
I will be presenting get price and call total payment function, which are both non-void with parameters, which means it return values with passing parameter. For the get price function, it return the value price and with parameter, which is the parameter is clothes, type, price, name clothes, and then type. This is because it will pass it to the main body. The price it will pass to the main body. Then for the cal total payment function, it will return the value of total payment to the main body function with the parameter of total payment and total price.
My name is Shaira Atila Binti Jalal, and today I would like to present the two functions that I'm in charge of. The first is call quotes price, and the second one is display output. The first one, we will see the first one is the call quotes price. The function will be here. The call quotes price is a non-void without parameter function. That's why we use float in front of here, because call quotes price function passes a value from the function itself to the main body, and the value here is the quotes price. So you write as written quotes price, and the call function will be up here. Quotes price equal to the function is call quote price, and the function declaration will be up here. Second one is the second one is display output. Display output is a void with parameter function. So that's why we use void. And this is the output. Includes name type, size, price, quotes price, postage, and discount. It doesn't have a basis value, so for the call function, it will be up here. And the function declaration is here. That is the output. Name quotes, name type, size, price, quotes price, and postage discount.